So we're pretty excited that we now have a tractor for the property. I was able to clear out a bunch of brush that has grown up over the summer, and really excited about that. Um, this is the Massey Ferguson 1800 series. It's the 35 horsepower E, which is the economical, versus the 1835M, which is the fancier version. Them will often come with like a cab and air conditioning and stuff, and that would be nice, but not really something that we absolutely need. This is the mechanical shift version, synchro shuttle. So it's got the 4-speed gearbox on the bottom, high and low speed, and then low speed you get an extra 4 gears, so it's an 8-speed front and back, forward and reverse, should I say. That's how they market it: 8-speed front, forward, 8-speed reverse. It's got the bucket. I got the bush hog in the back, which is proving to be quite functional and works extremely well. Yeah, we're excited to be able to at least get started with clearing a bunch more stuff out. This makes short order of knocking down small trees, or saplings should I say. And yeah, we've been needing to get this for a while. It's been growing like crazy. That front field is just, I mean, it's over our heads, and we cut it in November, December. So yeah, I had to clear out the field again to get our septic permit, and yeah, the bugs are going crazy right now. The sweat flies, sweat bees, whatever you want to call them. They were swarming everything earlier on, and they like to bite. Fortunately, they don't, get all puffy or anything like that. It's not like a mosquito stick bite. It's just, it hurts and then it's gone, I think. Yeah, so that's where we are right now. We just got the tractor. Still waiting on mobile home stuff. Enjoying the property. Went camping. Went camping a couple times. Took the girls over 4th of July weekend. Yeah. That's it. Thanks for watching.